Hey everyone, Yui here, back with another unboxing video. Today we have our first Wave 2 Platinum Core Darkus Griswing. Now, this is the only Wave 2 I have so far because it's up on Amazon, but I think it was... I don't remember who, but basically it's been found outside of Amazon, so don't think you're stuck to just buying this one on Amazon. Hey, he's like a flying squirrel monkey thing. His flying monkey squirrel bat thing looks quite interesting. And of course we don't have any more of like the Wave stuff on the back because it's just default to international packaging, I guess. And of course you get your character card, your gate card, your 2 cores, and then product shot of Griswing. Look at it right there. So yeah, let's just get into it. And it's like, I think Wave 2 stuff has been showing up in stores. I just haven't actually been to any stores recently. Okay, I've been to a Walmart, but they still only had like Wave 1 stuff. Kind of check sheet, even though it's not really a check sheet anymore. Let's see. Try and cut these plastic strips without hurting the Bakugan. Always a challenge, especially on this, because these plastic strips are a slight pain to get to. Oh, come on. The face did not want to come out of the plastic. Sit that there. And here we have Griswing out of the packaging. So again, flying monkey squirrel bat thingy. Kind of reminds me of a fox bat, I think it was, from New Vestroia. Looks pretty cool. Let's just figure out how to close it. Should be pretty simple. Okay, no, looks like tail last. Yeah, okay. Yep, pretty simple. That actually looks quite nice. Closed up. And again, love the transparency on the black wings. Gate card, I think we've seen this one before. And for cores, got Helix, plus 600, minus 3, love it. And Magic Shield, plus 500. Would have been nice if it was a 650, but alas. Alright, now which way do we roll you? Oh, there's the arrow. I'm like, I was about to be like, am I just blind? Yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. That was very poor. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Okay, let's try and not go at an angle. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. What is wrong with me? And Brawl. What the heck? I swear I'm not bad at rolling. Okay. Okay. Try this one more time. What the heck? What is wrong with me? I swear I'm good at rolling. There we go. Jeez. That was ridiculous. Oh, and it can double core apparently. Don't know if naturally, but magnet's strong enough to double core. Alright, character card, Darkus Griswing. Magic Shield, Helix, 900B, and 1 damage. Not bad. I want to put you in a deck, too bad. I don't know if I actually will. Maybe. We shall see. So yeah, it's going to pretty much do it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, all that good fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Oh wait, don't forget to like and subscribe, all that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Bye!